So how do you calculate the net operating income of a property? Step one, you take the potential rental income, which essentially is how much you can charge for the property on an annual basis. You're gonna add the other income to that, which can be proceeds of, let's say, a billboard company allowing you to rent some space on the property, or the proceeds from the laundry facilities that you would obtain. That's considered other income. So you're gonna add that as well. You're gonna subtract the vacancy rate, which is essentially as it sounds. How many of the units are vacant? You wanna make sure that you subtract that. And that figure is gonna be your gross operating income, your GOI. Once you have that figure, you subtract that from the operating expenses. Operating expenses on a property can be HVAC repair, let's say if you have security guards, fencing, anything like that you would essentially need to run the property. Insurance for the building, landscaping, you're gonna add all of that stuff up, and that's gonna be your total operating expenses. You're gonna take your gross operating income, you're gonna minus your operating expenses from that, and that's gonna give you your NOI, your net operating income. And please remember, when we talk about net operating income, we're not gonna include the taxes involved, we're not gonna include financing. That's the next step. We're just talking about the net. I hope that helps.